Hey friends, today I'm going to show you how to set up SMS notification in QR code gym form so you can respond to new leads instantly. So picture this, someone scans your QR code, fills the form and seconds later your team gets a text with their details. That's the power of instant communication. Let's jump in. Why SMS notifications matter? Here's why this can be important while you are generating leads. First, instant alerts are similar to gaining faster follow-ups and higher conversions. Second, SMS is simple, universal, and has a 98% open rate. Third, you can reach your leads anywhere, anytime. Alright, let's get this set up. First, log in to QR code gym and open up your dashboard. Pick an existing form or create a new one. I will be picking an existing form. Click Edit in the Action column. The selected form's edit page will open. If you are not sure how to create a form in QR code gym, check out our video on how to create forms using QR code gym in the top right corner. Then scroll down to Form Integration Settings and flip on the toggle that says Invoke SMS. That's a switch that tells the form to trigger an SMS when someone submits. For SMS integration, we are using a trial account provided by Twilio as an example. Now let's connect it to Twilio. In the API section, make sure the method is set to post. Then in the Enter URL field, paste the URL you get from Twilio. I'm heading to Twilio to get the API URL. Once you log in to Twilio, you will land on the home page. On the left hand side, you will find the various services provided by Twilio. Click on Messaging. Under Try It Out, select Send an SMS. The Send an SMS section will open. You will find an API Explorer and some sample code below it. You will be getting the API URL from here. Copy the code that appears after curl. It should look like this. The code will already have an account SID added. Just paste it into the Enter URL field on your QR code gym form. Let me copy and paste it. Next, we need to set up the header so Twilio knows who you are. Click Add Header and in the key field type Authorization. For the value, it should say basic followed by your base 64 encoded string. I know, let me show you how. Head back to Twilio and get your account SID and auth token. Click on Account Dashboard on the left hand side, scroll down and you will find both listed there. Now go to Google or even ChatGPT and search base64 encode. Copy your account SID, paste it into the base64 encoder. Then add a colon and paste your auth token after it. Click Encode. You will get an encoded string. Copy that code and paste it into QR code gym as shown in the video. Next, choose the content type. Set it to the second option. This just tells QR code gym the format it should use when sending data to Twilio. Now comes the important part, the SMS part body parameters. Twilio needs three things. First, the messaging service SID, which you will find in your Twilio dashboard. Let me show you where you can find the messaging service SID in Twilio. Head to Messaging, Services. Here, you will see your messaging service SID. Copy it and use it in the body. Second, the to number, which is recipient. This should be your team's phone number. And finally, the body of the message. This is where you customize the text and you can pull in form field using dynamic variables. Now let's put everything together. Here's what it looks like on the screen. These are the fields I need to get notified about. You can customize it based on your requirements, but I recommend keeping the message small and within the SMS character limit. One quick tip: those variables are case sensitive. They have to match your form labels exactly, so double check the spelling and capitalization. Once everything's filled out, hit save, generate your QR code, scan it, and submit the form. If you have set it up right, you will get an SMS with all the form's detail instantly. If it doesn't work, double check your API URL, the authorization header, and that's your form labels match your variables exactly. Here's the preview SMS I tested. If you would like a step-by-step written guide, I have also added an article in the description on how to set up SMS notification in QR Code Chimp. And that's it. You have just set up SMS notifications with QR Code Chimp. Next time, I'll show you how to set up WhatsApp notification just as easily. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comment. See you in the next one.